Everyone in the small town of Willowbrook knew Adam as a quiet and shy boy. He rarely spoke and often walked alone through the streets. People thought he would never do anything important in life. Adam lived with his mother in a small old house. The roof leaked when it rained, and the walls were cracked and broken. Life was very difficult, but his mother worked hard every single day to provide for him. His father had died when Adam was very young. His mother worked long hours at the market to earn money. Watching her struggle made Adam feel responsible for the family. Every morning, Adam walked to school silently. Other students laughed at his old, worn clothes and simple shoes. He ignored them and kept walking forward quietly every day. In class, Adam always sat on the back bench. Teachers thought he had no special talent or skill. No one asked him about his dreams or what he wanted to become. After school, Adam helped his mother at home. He cleaned the house, cooked meals, and repaired small things. He wanted to make her life easier and less stressful. At night, Adam sat near the window quietly. He looked at the stars and thought about his future. He wondered if his life would ever change for the better. Fear lived inside Adam's heart every day. He thought fate had already decided his life. This thought made him feel small, weak, and hopeless. One evening, while cleaning the attic, Adam found a dusty old bag. It was hidden behind broken furniture and old boxes. Inside it was a small, handwritten notebook covered with dust. The notebook had belonged to Adam's father. He had never seen it before and felt nervous opening it. The pages were full of simple advice and important life lessons. His father wrote about courage, patience, and discipline. He explained that hard work and persistence could change anyone's fate. Each word gave Adam hope and a sense of purpose he had never felt before. Adam read the notebook every night carefully. He dreamed about a better life and imagined himself strong and confident. He decided to start changing himself the very next morning. He began waking up early before sunrise every day. The streets were silent and cold, but he ran anyway. Running was painful at first, but he refused to give up. His legs ached, and his chest burned while running. But he remembered his father's words and pushed himself harder. Day by day, his body became stronger, healthier, and more disciplined. After running, Adam studied for hours each day. He focused on one subject at a time carefully. He followed a strict routine and never skipped any work. Weeks passed, then months passed slowly. No one noticed his silent hard work at first, but Adam knew he was becoming stronger inside and out. At school, students continued to mock him. Their words no longer hurt him deeply. He stayed calm, focused, and patient with everyone around him. One day, the school announced a public speaking competition. Adam felt fear return to his heart. He had never spoken in front of a large audience before. That night, Adam read his father's notebook again. The words said courage grows only when fear is faced. Adam made a brave decision to participate despite his fear. The next morning, he signed up quietly for the competition. Students laughed and whispered about him behind his back. Adam ignored them and prepared mentally with determination. Every evening, Adam practiced speaking alone in front of a mirror. His voice was weak and shaky at first, but he kept trying. Night after night, his confidence slowly began to grow. Sometimes he stumbled and felt frustrated, but he never gave up or lost hope. He remembered his father's advice about persistence and patience. Adam also read books about famous speakers. He learned new words and ways to express his ideas. He wanted to inspire people with his words one day. He even practiced speaking in front of his mother. She encouraged him gently and smiled every time. Her support gave him more confidence than he ever expected. Adam started imagining himself on a big stage. He pictured the audience listening carefully to his words. He told himself, "I can do this. I will not fail." The day of the competition finally arrived. The hall was filled with students, teachers, and parents. Adam's heart was beating faster than ever before. One by one, students gave their speeches. Some were confident, others stumbled nervously. Adam waited patiently for his turn, breathing deeply. When Adam walked onto the stage, the room became silent. Everyone expected him to fail or stutter badly. He closed his eyes briefly and remembered his father's words. Then he opened his eyes and began speaking slowly. His words were simple, honest, and clear. He spoke about struggle, hope, and changing one's fate. He shared his personal story of hardship and courage. The audience listened quietly, captivated by his honesty. Teachers looked surprised and proud of him. Students stopped whispering and stared at him. Adam's confidence grew with every word he spoke. When he finished, there was a brief silence. Then loud applause erupted throughout the hall. Adam's eyes filled with tears of joy and relief. He did not win first place, but he had won something far greater. He defeated his fear completely and proved his worth to himself. After that day, life slowly began changing for Adam. Students started respecting him quietly. Teachers began guiding him more seriously. He continued his morning runs and evening studies. He helped other weak students with their lessons. He shared lessons from his father's notebook with everyone who would listen. His mother noticed the change in him. She saw courage and strength in his eyes for the first time. Over the years, Adam also started volunteering. He taught younger children how to study and read. He shared his experiences about never giving up in life. He also joined a local youth club to help children learn sports. He taught them running, exercises, and teamwork. Every small achievement of the children made him happy. Adam encouraged the students to dream big. He told them that every small step mattered. He reminded them that courage grows through challenges. Adam also helped the elderly in his town. He carried groceries, cleaned yards, and listened to their stories. Helping others gave him more confidence and happiness. Years passed, and Adam grew older and wiser. He studied diligently and worked hard every day. He never forgot the struggles of his childhood. Eventually, Adam became a motivational speaker. He visited schools, towns, and community centers. Thousands of children were inspired by his story and words. He always carried his father's notebook with him. It reminded him of his journey, struggles, and promises. It reminded him that effort and courage can change anyone's fate. Adam proved one simple but powerful truth. Hard work and courage can overcome fear and destiny. Weakness can be transformed into strength through persistence. Even as a grown man, Adam remained humble. He never forgot the difficult days he endured. He respected struggle, patience, and courage deeply. His life became a shining example for everyone. He changed himself quietly without seeking attention. He truly changed his fate and inspired countless lives. Adam continued to help others quietly. He guided children, helped the poor, and shared hope. His life showed that even a quiet boy can become a hero. He lived simply but with purpose and determination. His past pain became the foundation of his strength. Every challenge he faced taught him a valuable lesson. People in Willowbrook remembered him as a humble man, but those who knew his story understood his bravery. Adam's journey proved that courage can be silent but powerful. Even after many years, children still spoke about him. They remembered the boy who changed his fate. His story inspired generations to work hard and never give up. Adam's life was a message for everyone. No matter how weak or small you feel, you can change your life with patience, courage, and effort. He often said to the children, "Believe in yourself. No matter what others think or say, you have the power to change your own life." Through every struggle and every challenge, Adam never stopped dreaming. His story became a legend in Willowbrook, remembered forever. He also wrote his own notebook for children. In it, he shared lessons, advice, and small exercises. He wanted them to find courage and hope just like he did. Adam became a role model not only for children but also for adults. People from other towns came to hear his story. His simple words changed lives and inspired many to take action. Even now, the streets of Willowbrook remember him. Stories about his courage and kindness are told daily. Adam proved that one boy's effort can change not only his life but also the lives of many.